All right, guys, that's it. It started up. No chirping. Engine runs good. It ain't missing. That squeaking you hear, that's from my belt. In the wintertime, my belt squeak. But that's it. You can see the water up top. It ain't missing. So this would be that's it. And I didn't replace the cam either. I didn't replace the cam. I just replaced that rock arm. I put some Emory cloth on it, cleaned it up real good. And after I got through with that, I polished it. Polished up that lobe real good. And then I used the vacuum, cleaned out everything, got the head, whatever type of debris that may have been left behind after I cleaned it up real good. I even put some shop air to it to blow. But I think I got everything out. I used a magnetic flathead screwdriver to get any metal shavings that may have fallen into the head bolts, the little holes where the head bolts are. So I've cleaned all that pretty good, but that's the after effect. So maybe this will get me another 80, 90,000 miles, and I'm done with trucking. I've been doing this 20 years. Been on my own authority for 10 years, so I'm done with it. So that's it for me. See, that's my first truck over there, that Kenworth T660. That's a Caterpillar. It's got 1.3 million miles on it. Ain't nothing wrong with it. I just parked it because I didn't want it to go down on me. And then I ended up buying this 2013, 5 years ago. And hell, I spent more money babying this son of a you-know-what than I have in that isx15 Caterpillar. So when it's time for a rebuild, if I don't get out of trucking, I'm gonna take that engine out, that isx15 out of there, get a platinum overhaul kit, and dump it in this son of a gun right here. I'm done with Cummins. I'm tired of Cummins. You can't beat the fuel mileage of a Cummins, but you know what? You can't beat the durability of a Caterpillar either. So there you go, guys. I changed the rocker arm. I didn't change the cam. Cleaned it up real good, put a new rocker arm in it. I can get another 100,000 miles out of it. Hope this video helps somebody out, because I know it's going to be a lot of negative comments. So you know what? I don't care, because I've done this before, and I got 90,000 miles out of it, and I get another 90,000 until I figure out what I'm going to do. Have a good one.